Previously in the realm, we did the highlight and contour of this video. This is part 2, eye look and wig. Deck of Scarlett sent me an eyeshadow foil, and this shade, I'm gonna check what the name is in a second for you guys. Okay. And then they also sent me an eyeshadow matte. So pretty. It actually does not do it justice, the camera. Okay, and these are the two together. These are the two shades that I have. They also sent me a lip liner and an eyeliner. The long-lasting lip liner in the color Belle. Come all the way out. Not sure if you guys can see that. Very, very light. The texture is smooth, creamy. I really like it. I think this will be a nice soft color. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use that lip color, but we'll see, especially since the hair is pastel, so I'm thinking this look is going to be very baby dollish. They also sent me the long-lasting eyeliner color in the color Goddess. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. I know I'm going to use that for this look. I want to use all of the Deck of Scarlett items that were sent to me, so I definitely want to use them in this look, and all of them together kind of give me a very golden, goddessy, shimmer, you know, type of look. But we'll see, so that we don't go overboard and have it clash. We don't want the wig and the hair to clash. Oh, but I'm loving the look so far. This is my normal everyday face, and now we're going to get into this eye look. For today's eye look, like I said, we're going to be using the Deck of Scarlett foil and the matte and the eyeliner and the lip liner to give this nice baby doll look that's going to go with my wig. We're going to take a nice little blending brush. We're actually going to go ahead and grab for this NYX lingerie palette, this lid lingerie palette. Okay, and the first thing that I'm going to do is use this light shade right there, and I'm just going to kind of highlight my brow bone with that as a nice little transition shade. The first brush that I'm going to use is this one, and this is my Sephora brush. It is a Pro Crease brush. That's better. Now you guys can see. All right, so I'm bringing you guys a little bit closer for the eye look. IRL, and this is IRL by Deck of Scarlett. I'm going to deepen my crease, and to deepen my crease, I'm going to grab this color here. I'm going to grab that color with my Sedona Lace EB13 brush, and I'm going to start by packing it right in the corner of my eye. And I'm just going to keep packing that. Packing it. And then start sweeping. I want this look to be really soft, so I'm not gonna go overboard. Nice. And then we're gonna actually take the same brush that we used before. We're not gonna put any product on it. We're just gonna go ahead and make sure that's a nice seamless blend. Next, we're gonna finally go in now and prime my eyelid. But we're going to use this primer from Fenty, and it is their Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer, and it is actually really, really good. I did use it before. It comes in this brush, and excuse the glass. Excuse how it's trifling right now. I travel crazy. I kind of put it all, everything, everywhere. Okay. And then apply it onto my eyelid. Nothing, just shooting. You're okay. You're in the video now. think I'll continue on by doing, let me see if I can find a color that would go with my hair. Maybe a purple. I think I want to do like some type of purple. I think I'm gonna get wacky with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I have my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm doing things a little backwards because I think the way that people usually do this is they do the color first and then do the middle halo effect later. But I'm feeling wacky. I'm gonna actually take another shade, and what I'm gonna do is combine the two. I'm gonna take this purple because my hair is gonna be pastel, like a light pastel. I'm gonna grab this purple, and that's what I'm gonna use on either side of this halo look, just to kind of, you know, play around a little bit and do it on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead back in with my foil just to bring it back, and grab my Sedona lace, the same brush that I used for my crease, and kind of just sweep that off into the crease there, just to make sure it's nice and clean. There we go. Juvia's Place again. We're gonna grab this metallic, it's like a really nice light color here. I'm actually gonna use this on my inner tear duct. We're gonna do my lower lash line, and for my lower lash line, I'm going to grab the same shade that I used in my outer corner there. I always get stuff in my eye easily, so I literally have to take my time when I do it. Probably should have done this before doing that, but we're going to use the liner that they sent me, which is Goddess. All right, and this is so pretty. I probably could have used it in here too, actually. Probably could have used it instead of that other shade. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Yep. And then I can actually use this right in the middle. I'm just gonna use a little bit of it right at my my waterline. It goes on so smooth. We're gonna use this e.l.f. gel liner. So I kind of want to add more of the foil. Kind of want to pack some of this on there. I want it to be the main attraction now. So what we're gonna do now is add some mascara. So this one's been pretty good so far. It's a mess because of how I travel. But this is so lashy. And it has this really cool tip. It has this really cool tip that you can see that you use for your lower lashes, and then the obvious regular brush there. So we are done with my eyes. I am liking the look. I think this is the soft look we're gonna go for. But anyway, I'm liking the look. I really love this deck of Scarlett foil. I love the eyeliner. I used the eyeliner Goddess right into my tear duct, my inner tear duct, and I use it on my lower lash line. And I love the foil. It's a really pretty copper. The next item that I do have from Deck of Scarlett that we can highlight or try is the lip liner Belle. Okay, so we've lined my lips. Now, you know you can't go out like this. I'll probably just continue. I know it's a lip liner, but I think I'm going to actually continue. She's pretty. It's a really pretty pink shade. It's very matte, but I overlined a little bit, so I have to go in and clean that. I like this Barbie doll look. I do think that I will have to put something over this, otherwise it doesn't look really, you know, appealing on dark-skinned, darker complected women, but it is a cute poppy lip, what I was going for. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Damned, and all I'm gonna do with this is create a nice little ombre. I'm just gonna line the liner. I'm just gonna add it. And all that's gonna do is just give it a little bit more depth, a little bit more dimension between my lip and the lip liner. I just want it to not be so pasty looking, and just a little bit of this. So I think I would wear this color more like a lip if I wanted to be like, have like a little nice matte lip. Ooh, I like it. There. I am gonna just add a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use my Milani Baked Powder Blush Carolina, whichever one. It's this nice orangey shade. Orange looks beautiful on our skin tone, on darker complected skin tones. I'm gonna use my blush brush and just sweep that right on my cheeks for a nice little bit of color. Right underneath my highlight. Okay, so now some color on my cheeks, and we're done. This is the final look. Absolutely gorgeous by itself. I love it. So like I said, today we're going to be reviewing this wig. I'm going to push you guys back some so that you can see the full reveal and everything that comes with it. She's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. All right, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys just a really brief look at how I decided to style this wig. I did cut the lace, and it did come with some baby hairs, which was pretty cool. I tried to add a little bit more, but really those baby hairs were just enough. I put it on my head without a cap because I'm really just showing you in this video how I meant to style it. I was actually going to wash my face and do a whole nother style after this, so I did not use gel. The parting space is phenomenal on this wig. I will have an official review of this wig, and only this wig review, as a separate video. Just in case for those of you who just want to get right down to the review, I will have a separate review on that. But I used the Got To Be spray just to kind of sort of hold down the edges, basically just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I was going for and give you guys a look at the end look. But I will be using gel when I actually wear this wig. I will use the Got To Be gel because those baby hairs need to be slicked down in order to really give the look that I want and the illusion that I want, and to lay down. The spray is not going to do it long term. The spray only did it just for the video, just so you guys could see it, and even then you could still kind of see my hair peeking through. So forgive me, hopefully you guys can get past that. I did use this topic here, and all that's doing is adding some fibers in order to kind of deepen the roots. I think I need to use maybe a marker instead, but I didn't have one on hand, so this was all I had. But you get the idea. I combed out the hair. It's super soft, and this was the end look. Actually, I ended up adding my lashes on because it just wasn't doing it for me. So I grabbed these lashes, put them on, and sure enough, I felt like a way after I did that. It finished the look. I looked like a doll, and I loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun shooting it. Make sure you catch part 1 for the makeup look of highlighting and contouring my face. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to do more of these, because I had so much fun. I know it was long, but I'll try to make them shorter. And I'll see you guys in the next video, you guys. Stay royal.